Model, 2015 Ford Transit Connect 240 limited body, black, panel van mileage, 62,995 engine, 1,560 cc 1.6 TDCI 115 PSC transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, cruise control, air-con, electric windows, parking sensors EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, £10,450. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on